Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to film a quick little market update video. So yesterday we got the FOMC, we got the rate cut decision, which was 0.25 basis points. We got the cut. It came in line with expectations. There wasn't any shocks. There wasn't any scares. The only difference that we saw was the difference between Powell's tone and the SCP. The SCP actually shows more 0.25 rate cuts for this year, actually two more. And Jerome Powell's tone was kind of hinting to the fact that we're kind of in the middle. He's kind of hinting at stagflation, which means that he's just more neutral, right? That was the only thing that was kind of like a shocker for the markets, that they were just expecting a more dovish Jerome Powell because of the SCP showing 3.6 on the federal funds rate, right? Moving on to some more major fundamental news about crypto. We just got the Doge and XRP ETFs, right? So they just launched today. It was a Rex Osprey Doge ETF and the Rex Osprey XRP ETF that just launched today. And yesterday we got the GLDC approval for the select cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and XRP. Those are the cryptos that are included in this ETP that was approved by the SEC. And just a quick little update on the Cardano trade. We are sitting just under $20,000 on our trade. And most people say, why wouldn't you sell now? Well, I want to make Lambo, Ferrari, TJR just bought a Koenigsegg type of gains, okay? I want to make, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70,000. 20K is ant gains to me right now because of the vision I have for BullTheory, right? I want to build a community that is the smartest trading community in the entire world, right? I don't want to make it so that we're just trading Solana meme coins. I don't want to make it so that we're just, doing aping into Tesla options every Friday, okay? The type of trades and the type of investments and the type of portfolio management we're going to be doing and we're going to be teaching you guys is going to be the type of investing that you see on Wall Street. I want our community members to be able to start their own hedge funds after they learn everything they need to know from our YouTube videos and our educational videos, because I think that a lost art in trading and a lost art in investing is that academic mindset, the academic portion of the investment side. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, just pick up The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, which talks about portfolio management, risk models, right? And things like that, Sharpe ratios, things that most investors aren't paying attention to nowadays. And most people don't know what it is, okay? And so that's what I want to teach BullTheory community members on these things and how to use these type of trading tools. Another thing I want to teach community members is how to invest in real estate. I see too many, Instagram posts, too many Instagram reels all over social media saying, I can't afford a home, I can't afford this, I can't afford that, right? But the thing is that there are ways to buy real estate, guys. There are ways to do this thing, but you just have to learn. You just have to learn. And so it's just out of ignorance that people don't know how to do it. There's creative finance, there's seller finance, there's subject to, right? So that's what I want to be able to teach our community members on how to do these types of things. And so, yeah, that's the reason why I'm not particularly interested in selling this trade yet until we hit our profit targets, because I want to be able to show people what is possible in trading and investing. I want to be able to show particularly the younger audience what is possible in trading and investing, not just little ant gains here and there. I want to be able to actually show people how to make really, really good trades. Because eventually, guys, we are going to make it to Wall Street. Eventually, we are going to be having our own BullTheory building, YDB Capital BullTheory building. We're going to be actually doing this thing, right? And so I'm serious about this. We're going to take it up all the way to the high skies. We're going to take it up all the way to the Mars moon. And the crazy thing is that when you pay attention to these types of things in a macroeconomic economy, you see things like the Cardano ETF approvals at 93%. And you see things like the GLDC ETP just approved yesterday. But people are just like, no, it's not going to pump. It's not going to happen. Imagine being the person that says, no, it's not going to pump. No, I'm not going to put max leverage in. And then you look at Cardano, it's at $3 or it's $2.50 or wherever it's at. I know it's going to be above $2. And we're up hundreds of thousands. BullTheory is up hundreds of thousands. The community is up hundreds of thousands because they took the trade to go out of the way to put max leverage long on their life savings. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Don't. Yeah. But anyways, you can do these types of things. You can actually invest in real estate. You can make really, really good trades. And so that was just a quick little update video, guys. I really do think we're going to be seeing $1.20 to $1.40 Cardano very, very soon. We got the ETFs. We got the GLDC ETPs, right? And so all the things are lining up. It's just about patience, right? I've been saying this for a long time. I've been saying this is going to happen. This is going to happen, that. Okay, great. It's just about patience, right? In order to make great trades, you got to have great patience. So yeah, that's just the update, guys. I still think it's going to pump us. I still think that there is nothing that changed to our macroeconomic outlook. And don't get fatigued from the time. Actually, something that is called time-based capitulation. So a lot of people don't understand what this means. What time-based capitulation is when you get too annoyed or too tired or too bored of the price action, therefore you end up selling before it pumps your ass off, okay? So don't get capitulated from the time. Just don't get capitulated by the time, because it's going to happen very soon. That's just a quick little update video, guys. Subscribe if you want to learn how to invest in real estate. Subscribe if you want to learn how to invest in stocks, crypto, all these different things, and eventually learn so much you can start your own hedge fund in the future. I'm serious about this, guys. This is the movement that I'm trying to start. So I'll see you guys later. Don't get time-based capitulation. Don't get fatigued. And don't let Larry Fink take all your crypto. I'll see you guys later.